How, on that vast spectrum, is anyone supposed to locate the ordinary case and say whether it includes a substantial risk of physical force? The truth is, no one knows. The law's silence leaves judges to their intuitions and the people to their fate. In my judgment, the Constitution demands more, he wrote. Justice Gorsuch's opinion, which does not seem to be in line with President Trump, does bear a striking resemblance to a decision made by the man he has replaced on the court, the late Justice Antonin Scalia. That case was cited by Justice Kagan, who wrote in the opinion that the 2015 case that struck down a similar clause in the Armed Career Criminal Act provided guidance for Tuesday's decision. Justice Kagan said that the 2015 decision tells us how to resolve this case. The case decided on Tuesday involved a legal immigrant identified as James Dimaya, who came to the United States from the Philippines in 1992 when he was 13 years old. Dimaya pleaded no contest to 2 charges of burglary in California, and deportation proceedings had been started by the government. The government said that he could be deported because his crimes could be considered crimes of violence that allowed him to be sent back to the Philippines. If the severity of the consequences counts when deciding the standard of review, shouldn't we also take account of the fact that today's civil laws regularly impose penalties far more severe than those found in many criminal statutes? Ours is a world filled with more and more civil laws bearing more and more extravagant punishments, Justice Gorsuch said. The decision by Justice Gorsuch angered conservatives on Twitter, who called him a traitor. It does seem rather disappointing that he would side with the liberal justices. Let's hope that the issue was the vague language of the law and that this is not an indication of things to come. We hired Donald Trump based on his agenda, which included cleaning up our immigration problem. In turn, he nominated Gorsuch, believing he supported the conservative, America First agenda. This ruling leaves many in doubt when it comes to Gorsuch's values.